for the hairbrush. Ouch! Hi everyone, it's Dal and welcome to my channel. If you're new around here, I am just a consumer like you who just likes to try stuff and happens to be uploading a video about it. So if you like this video, please subscribe for more contents like this. Leave a comment and let me know if you like it, if you don't, and what other products are you thinking of checking out, and maybe I can check it out for you. So judging from the title of this video, I bet you're one of those people looking for like a blow dryer or something we can use for our hair. You've clicked in, you want to know, and I have bought it. So without further ado, let's get started. I was checking out Shopee. I was looking for something to dry my hair because I'm on a night shift and I always sleep with my hair wet. Sometimes stay awake and wait for my hair to dry and then sleep, but I needed something that I can use to, you know, dry my hair, and then I can comfortably sleep. I was scrolling through Shopee and I found this. There are a lot of variants that I saw, but this one kind of like is like all-in-one like package. So yeah, I tried, and it is Philips StyleCare Essential. I think it's a really old model. They had like maybe designed a couple of years ago, I'm not sure. Like it's an old model. The new models now are really expensive, and yeah, it's just not something I want to splurge on. And I'll link, or I'll show you, flash on the screen how much it is in Shopee where I bought it. This is from overseas. It came in good. Like, look at the packaging. It did not have any dent at all. And yeah, I actually opened it already and played around. So yeah, let's open it. Dami sapsap. Basically, it's securely packed naman. It's not like unruly. So basically, you would expect attachments, and it would come in a plastic like this, and a wire. Oh my god! I opened it already, so it's unruly now. It comes with different attachments. So this is like attachment for the hairbrush. Ouch! There. And this one is for another brush, a roll brush. And this one, it's like yeah, the basic hair dryer attachment. So it will come with 3 attachments, and it also comes with like a manual. I haven't really read the manual, but let me check. Haven't really checked it, but yeah. Okay. That's just a simple piece of paper. It's not even a booklet. Like a map. Oh my god. The instructions and like self-interpretation, what those meant. It does tell you a little bit of how you can style your hair. You know, the basics and stuff. It's in Chinese. It's from China. Shopee, thank you. Oh yeah, that's it. So it comes with 3 attachments. I bet this one is for curling your hair. This one is just, you know, for drying your normal blow dry, and this one is like brush. I think this one is straightening if you want your hair flat. Now it's made of plastic, and I'm not sure this is what this is. It's just plastic. This is also plastic. It's really plasticky. Everything is plastic, like your French are. This is the blower. This is rotatable, so yeah, good for, you know, maneuvering. If you do your hair, your own hair, it would move a lot, so it's good. And a good thing is you don't need an extra like adapter for this. You know how hassle it is. You have to buy an adapter, but it's not so good. Let me just talk about this one. So this is like where you, where you would attach the attachments, and this is like the lock. This is how you would release them after if you want to change or put this away. This one has controls, so like this one is cool, this one is just like the mid heat, and then this is very hot. Now the only thing is it doesn't tell how hot it can get. That's the only downside, because you wouldn't know how hot it can get, unlike those, you know, sophisticated ones, expensive ones who would tell you, or would have like a meter or something telling you how hot it can get. Let me show you the attachment. You just have to attach it like that, and that's it. It's sturdy. It's really sturdy. It's not cheap, but it's not, but you know what you paid for. Like, it's not expensive looking. It's just like what you see is what you get. And there, and then if you want to remove it, you just press this, pull it out. That's it, easy. And also this one, look. So the air would come out on these holes. Remove it. It easily can be removed. No hassle. No hassle. No kidding. And then this one does not have any like thing, but it does have an arrow. It tells you where. That's it. Yeah, attach it, and there you go. Now let me plug it. As you can see, the only thing that I am like worried about is this part here. It's plastic again, so I'm sometimes afraid it might melt, especially if you have long sessions of, well, especially if you want to curl your hair, you would have long sessions of doing this to your hair. I'm just afraid that it will melt. But so far I was using it, so far I dried my hair, it didn't melt, it didn't smell bad like those cheap, you know, China made equipment. They would smell burning. This one doesn't, so maybe it's really Philips. It's not fake. Anyway, let me turn it on for you guys. Ouch. So that's the first. It's sucking air here, as you can see. Look at that. And the air is here. So this air, it's like your normal, you know, normal first base of like cool air. It's kind of hot, but not really hot. The way it is, it's just scatters the air. You would need this. Let me turn it off. And attach it there. Yeah, and make the air concentrated, right? So the second option, what I noticed also, you can hear this, when I turn it off, yeah, it actually has like a sound. I don't know what that is. Anyway, let me change the attachment, show you how it is when it's on. Here, yeah, this one, it's in here. It's blowing the air this way, so when you dry your hair, you do like that. It doesn't really get hot unless you use the third setting. The third setting is really hot, so it might burn your hands. So at first I was kind of hesitant because you see, as you can see, look at that. The air is like blowing sideways, and it can also blow that way. So I think it would be better if just concentrated on those parts. But it works actually. It freaking works. Now, let me turn it on. Here, look. So the air is blowing from the hole, and this one too. But what it actually wants you to do is yeah, you wrap your hair like that, and then it heats the hair, and you let go, the hair is curly. So let me show you how I use this, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, guys, I just finished taking a bath and my hair is wet, so this is the best time to test this. And medyo my hair is dry. So overall verdict for me, packaging is good, price is okay. It's not affordable, but it's not really that much expensive. And but when I was using it, it's really easy to use. I'm an awkward person, so sometimes I don't know how to maneuver, like, you know, by myself. But with practice, as the day goes by of using it, you would, you know, get used to how to maneuver all over your hair and over to the style that you like. Now, if it's actually really effective. Like, I didn't expect the curling would actually curl. Like, I didn't expect for it to work. I was like, I mean, I get the whole drying thing and the straightening thing, because yeah, that what usually blow dryers do. But the curling of the hair, I was like kind of impressed how it turned out. So yeah, for me, this is for me who's looking for like a versatile product to use. It can straighten your hair, dry your hair, also can curl your hair. Actually, it's really worth it for me. Philips, I highly recommend. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and share it to your friends that are looking for a similar product like this. Maybe I can help, you can help, and yeah, see you again in my next vlog. Bye.